Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how the inverter bulb works. For that I took 9 watt Havells inverter bulb. Usually when there is a power cut, this inverter bulb will automatically switch on. I bought this bulb from the local shop. The cost of the bulb is 450 rupees. Let's see what are the features this bulb has. The charging time is 8 to 10 hours. And there is a overcharging protection, deep discharge protection is there, and then battery short circuit protection also is there, and we get power backup up to 4 hours. For more details, we can refer user manual, which has specification, operation, and feature informations. The size of the bulb looks bigger size when we compare with the non-inverter bulb, because non-inverter bulb 9 watt, it will be very smaller size, but this bulb is somehow looks bigger compared to that, as it includes inverter and then the batteries, so that's why the size is bit bigger. Let's see how it works. First I will fix it in the holder. This is a temporary holder with a normal bulb, and we are going to use this to compare the inverter bulb. First, I will switch on the temporary light. Now I will be going to switch on the inverter bulb. So we can see both the bulbs started glowing. Now I am going to cut the power. Okay, we can see there is a gap between the power cut and then after the power cut, when the inverter started glowing, we can see a small gap between these two, and we can see the normal bulb is not glowing, only the inverter bulb is glowing. One important thing is the brightness of the light is a bit lower when there is a power cut. Other than this, inverter bulb works pretty well. Definitely it is going to help during the emergency time. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe for more such videos.